The molecule that has polar covalent bond is covalent bond is formed between at least two atoms that contribute equal number of valence electrons. That is the meaning of covalent bond. This is an atom and this is another atom, and they form a covalent bond between them by the virtue of contributing one electron each. Now, one thing you need to know is that these bonded electrons are facing force of attraction. This atom is trying to pull the bonded electrons closer to itself in order to have a partial negative charge. This atom is also trying to do the same thing, pull the bonded electrons closer to itself to have partial negative charge. But because the two atoms are the same, meaning that they have the same electronegativity, the bonded pair remains static. But in a situation where we have two different atoms, where one has a greater electronegativity, let's assume Y has a greater electronegativity, it will succeed in pulling the bonded pair closer to itself to become partially negative. And because the bonded pair now goes farther from X will acquire a partial positive charge. Having a positive charge at one end of the molecule and a negative charge at the other end of the molecule makes the covalent bond polar. And that is what this question is saying. Which of these molecules contain polar covalent bond? In hydrogen molecule, we have something like this. Equal electronegativity, so the covalent bond is non-polar. In oxygen molecule, something like this. Equal ability to attract electron, so the covalent bond is non-polar. Aluminium is just an atom, and a tree cannot make a forest. There is no covalent bond. Hydrogen chloride gas is like this. Chlorine is more non-metallic and higher in electronegativity. Therefore, there is a partial negative charge on the chlorine end and partial positive charge on hydrogen end, and therefore there is a polar covalent bond. And this is the reason chlorine dissolves in water, because water is polar and polar dissolves polar and non-polar dissolves non-polar. Therefore, our answer is D. If you found this video useful, click on like, comment, share the video, tag your friends, follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.